Hello, today we will guide you through how to book multiple hotels on Expedia. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Expedia Philippines homepage. On the hotel search box, type where you want to stay. You can enter city, neighborhood, or a specific landmark. If you're planning a trip with different stops, think ahead about which nights belong to each location so your searches match your itinerary. Next, choose your date range. Select your check-in and check-out dates for the first hotel. If your schedule is flexible, glance at the calendar for price differences around your target dates. For multi-hotel trips, remember you'll repeat this with new dates for each additional stay, so it helps to keep a simple list of nights per hotel handy. Set the number of travelers and rooms. Make sure the room count matches how your group plans to split up, and adjust the ages of any children, if applicable, to see accurate room options. When you're ready, click Search. On the results page, browse the available properties and pick a hotel that fits your plan. Use filters to narrow down by price, guest rating, amenities or free cancellation, and the map to confirm your near places you want to visit. Sort by recommended or price to quickly scan options. When a hotel looks right, open it to see details. On the hotel page, scroll to the room options and click Reserve or a similar button for the room you prefer. Review what's included, such as breakfast, Wi-Fi, and payment type, and check the cancellation policy, any deposits, and potential fees like resort or parking charges so there are no surprises. You'll now enter your personal and payment details. Make sure the guest name matches the ID you will present at check-in and double-check your email so you receive the confirmation. Review the total cost, currency, and dates. Add any requests, such as a late check-in, if available. For security, only provide payment details on the official site and a trusted connection. Click Complete Booking and wait for the confirmation page. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Save it for reference. To book additional hotels, return to the home page and repeat the same process for your next destination and date range. Work through search. Select your hotel. Reserve the room. Enter details and complete the booking again. Keep an eye on checkout and next check-in times to avoid gaps. And note the cancellation windows for each separate reservation. That's it. You've booked multiple hotels on Expedia efficiently and confidently. Have a great trip.